So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating my cozy corner. So come on with me, guys. So I'm starting out here with this beautiful vase that I DIY'd. It is beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and start placing this. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channels. And I will be linking those down below in the description box. Now, this is looking so beautiful so far. I'm going to see you at the end of the video. Now this looks so beautiful. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.